Good morning. Today we are going revision of some topic in chapter number 1. So first of all discuss interval. So total 4 type of interval present in our syllabus. First interval, open interval. So in open interval, here we can written open interval a and b. What is the meaning of open interval? Open interval, that means all this value between a and b, but we cannot include a, we cannot include b. So in symbolically we can written open interval a comma b is equal to set of x from x belongs to r comma a less than x less than b, right? All this number between a and b, but we cannot include a, we cannot include b. Now second interval, closed interval. So in closed interval, here we can apply big bracket a and b. Now what is the meaning of this interval? So closed interval a and b, that means all this value between a and b also we can include a, also include b. So in symbolically written closed interval a comma b is equal to set of x from x belongs to r comma a less than equal to x less than equal to b, set over. Now third interval, open close interval. So in open close interval, here first position is open position, so written open form, and after close position is present, so written here close form. So open close a comma b, that means all this value between a and b, but we cannot include a and include here b, because here b present in closed form, so we can here include b and not include the value of a. So in symbolically written open close a comma b is equal to set of x from x belongs to r. Here a, here small bracket is present, open interval is present, so here written strictly less than x. Here close form is present, so here written less than equality form, less than equal to b, set over. And fourth one, closed open interval. So in closed open interval, first position, close is present, so here written closed interval a, open interval b. In what is the meaning of this interval? So all this value between a and b, and also include a, but we cannot include the value of b. So close interval a, open interval b is equal to set of x from x belongs to r comma here less than equal a, close interval form is present, so here written less than equality a less than equal to x, and here small bracket is present, so here written strictly less than b, set over. Okay. Now related to this topic, discuss 2-3 example. So first example, set of x from x belongs to R minus 4 less than x less than equal to 6. So write down this set Wheeler form into interval form. So here strictly less than form is present, and here less than equality is form is present. So using by third result open close interval form. So our answer is only just write down the interval form. So here we can written open minus 4 close interval 6. Second one, set of x from x belongs to R 0 less than equal to x less than 7 set over. So again here less than equal to form is present, and here strictly less than form is present. So our answer is close interval 0 to open interval 7. Now suppose interval form is present and write down in set Wheeler form. So how can be written? So suppose here open interval minus 3 comma 0 is present and write down in interval form. So how can be written? So here open interval form is present. So first we can written x from x belongs to R. Now here open interval form is present, so written strictly less than, so minus 3 less than x less than 0 set over. Second one, open close 6 comma 12. So again how can be written here? So set of x from x belongs to R comma 6 less than x less than equal to, because here close interval form is present, so that's why here written equality, so 12 set over. Okay, now our next topic is subset. So what is the meaning of subset? So subset, that means suppose two sets is present, set A and set B, two sets is present. Okay, now if every element of set A must be present in set B is called the A subset of B. So we can take one example. Suppose A is equal to set of 1, 2 and 3. B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here every element of set A must be present in set B. So that's why here we can written A subset of B. But we can take one another example. Suppose A is equal to set of 1 comma 3 and B is equal to set of 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So in this case A is equal to 2 element is present 1 and 3, and B is equal to 5 element is present. Now here 1 is present in set B but 3 not present in this set, and our definition is every element of set A must be present in set B. So here 3 is not present in set B. So in this situation we can say that A not subset of B. Okay, now after suppose A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 set of 5 comma 6 set over 7. Now in case of here 1 single element is present and 1 is present in this set, so we can say that 1 belongs to A. Now in case of 5 comma 6, so here 5 comma 6 we can consider also in element form. In this pair we can consider one single element, so that's why again here we can return belongs to A. Now set of 7 means 7 also we can return belongs to A, but this element written in like this set, so we can return subset of A, right? Here single element and relation is A, so written here belongs to A, but same element written in set form, so we can return here subset. So set of 1 subset of A, set of 5 comma 6 set over also subset of A, set of 7 is also subset of A. Okay, now null set. Another word of this set is called empty set. Null set or empty set, that means no any element present in this set, so we can say that it is called the empty set. Now remember, null set is a subset of every set. Now after, our next topic is union. So what is the meaning of union? Definition of union. Union of sets. So what is the definition of union? So we can consider two sets. Let A and B be any two sets. The union of A and B is the set of all those elements which are either in A or B or in both A and B. So it is called the union of A and B, and it is denoted by A union B. That means every element of set A as well as every element of set B is called the union of A and B. So now A union B is denoted by set of X from X belongs to A or X belongs to B, set over. Now we can take one example. Suppose A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and 4, and B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now our question is find out A union B. Now A union B, that means all the element of set A as well as all the element of set B. So here we can return 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here 3 and 4 present here, so we cannot return again this element, so 5, 6. So A union B is equal to, we get answer set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now after, our next topic is intersection of the set. Intersection of the set, that means common element in this set. Intersection of sets. Let once again we can consider two set A and B, be any two set. The intersection of A and B is the set of all those elements which belong to both A and B. That means common element in both the set is called the intersection of set. So intersection is denoted by A intersection B, and here we can return set of X from X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Now take one example. Suppose A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 element present in set A, and B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5, 6. Now find out A intersection B. So A intersection B, that means common element in both the sets, say 3 and 4. So here we can written set of 3, 4. Now next topic, disjoint set. Disjoint set, that means once again we can consider two sets A and B, and if they have no common element in both these sets, so we can say that this set is called the disjoint of the set. Suppose A is equal to set of 1, 2 and 3, and B is equal to set of 5, 7 and 8. Now find out intersection of this term. So here no any element intersection, that means common element. So no any common element present in both the set. So in this situation we can written A intersection B is equal to null set or empty set. So disjoint set, that means two set is present A and B and no any common element present in this set is called the disjoint of the set. Now next one, difference of a set. Difference of set, that means again we can consider two element A and B be any two element of set. The difference A minus B is the set of all those elements of A which do not belong to B. So in difference set, in symbolically written A difference B is equal to set of X from X belongs to A and X not belongs to B, set over. Take example, suppose A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and 4. B is equal to set of 3, 4, 5, 6. Now find out A difference B. So first of all decide which element common in both these set. So here 3 and 4 common in both these set. Now here first position is set A. So that's why here written set of 1, 2. So our answer is A difference B is equal to set of 1, 2. So difference set, that means A difference B is equal to set of X from X belongs to A and X not belongs to B. Now related to this question, discuss one example. Suppose A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. B is equal to set of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. C is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And D is equal to set of 5, 10, 15, 20. Our question is, first find out A union B. A union B, that means all the element of set A as well as all the element of set B. So here A in place of written 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. union set of B in place of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So is equal to A union B, that means here written 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21. Now, second question. Find out A intersection D. So once again here A in place of written element 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Intersection set of D in place of 5, 10, 15, 20. So is equal to intersection, that means common element in both these set. So here common element is 15. So set of 15. Third one. Now after find out A, okay, chalo, B difference D. So B difference D, that means B in place of written here 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Difference D in place of written 5, 10, 15, 20. Set over. Now difference, that means common element in both the set. So here which element common? 20 common in both the set. So our answer is remaining element of set B. So 4, 8, 6, 12, 16. So B difference D is equal to, we get 4, 8, 12, 16. Now discuss one another example. If X is equal to set of A, B, C, D, and Y is equal to set of F, B, D, G. Now our first question, find out X difference Y. So X difference Y, that means here first position is X is present, so here written A, B, C, D. Difference Y in place of F, B, D, G. Now which element common in this set? So B and D common in this set. So our answer is A, C. Second one, Y difference X. So here Y in place of written F, B, D, G. Difference X in place of A, B, C, D. Now here which element common in this set? So B and D common in this set. So remaining element of set Y is F and G. So here written F, G. Answer. Now third question, find out X intersection Y. So X intersection Y, so first written here A, B, C, D. Intersection Y in place of written F, B, D, G. Now which element common in both the set? So here B and D common in both the set. So answer set of B, D. Answer. Okay. Now fourth one, find out X union Y. So here once again written A, B, C, D union y in place of f comma b comma d comma g. Union, that means all the element of x and all the element of y. So here written a comma b comma c comma d. After remaining element of set y, say f comma g. So answer a b c d comma f comma g.